Come on.
Did you guys make good cupcakes? You made good cookies.
Ew, I ate the wrapper.
You did what?
I'm saying the wrapper.
There's stuff in a cupcake.
Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing.
Is it good?
Yeah. I haven't tried it yet.
Here goes nothing.
Here goes.
Is it good, Tevin? You make good cupcakes?
Mine stuck to the wrapper at the bottom.
That's okay. Just take a bite.
Can't eat it like that.
Take a bite.
No. Ooh, chop.
Come on.
Hey, Paige, you copy mine.
Come on.
Eat the googly eyes.
Is yours no good? Don't do that. You're going to make a mess.